You guys are gonna be so mad at me. I've been gone. I know. I'm back. I'm here. Oh my god, I miss you guys so much. I'm so sorry, you guys. It's been really crazy. It's just been really crazy. I've been really busy. I've been on the road. I did not forget about you guys. And yes, I'm a blonde now. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I'm a blonde now. Blondes have more fun. It is what it is. But you guys, today we're gonna play with some P.LOUISE. You guys know I love P.LOUISE Cosmetics. They're one of my favorite makeup brands in the entire world. They have literally like the cutest packaging. We're gonna go ahead and play with that. I actually did my whole face with these palettes. Yeah, these colors, everything on my face, my contour, everything is P.LOUISE. I love them. They sent me so much stuff for the holidays, and I just feel like I should do a dedicated video to them. So if you guys are ready to get into drag and play with some eyeshadow and talk to me a little bit, keep watching. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm known for the makeup guru that pops up here and there. I'm gonna stop making promises of having videos out every week because I obviously cannot keep my promises as of now, but maybe the resolution for 2024, I will stick to my promises. But I'm here. The greatest part is when I come back to my YouTube channel, it's always like good vibes. So we're gonna dive into some makeup today. I have this palette here that they sent over. Now this is the AM to PM No Risk No Magic palette. It's to die for. It's literally to die for. Like, look, you guys, what is going on? I don't even know. The old Kimora would never pick this palette up because you guys know I love browns, I love smoky eyes and black. But lately, I just been on like a colored eye kick lately. I don't know what it is. I think it's the blonde. Like, you know when you have like black hair, makeup looks different, and you have blonde hair, makeup looks a little different. I think that's what it is. I don't know. Or maybe it's just a new me. Who knows? But we're gonna dive into this today. I'm gonna do a photo shoot for my candle line launch for the holidays, Sensual Taboo. We launched 2 new scents. So if you guys wanna shop my candle line, Sensual Taboo, the link is right here on the bottom. If you guys need some stockings and things like that. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys the candles. But right now, we're gonna dive into the makeup first because I'm wearing all green. It's like this velvet catsuit kind of moment going right into a photo shoot. Yeah, that's my life today. So you guys keep watching. If you guys are getting ready, get ready with me. If you guys are just hanging out, having coffee, lunch, dinner, whatever, keep me on your phone screens. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I do pop up here and there. So let's dive into some green. There's some beautiful shades in here, to be honest. Like, I am actually obsessed with a lot of the shades. I might do a little gold. I don't know. I don't really wear gold, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna do my traditional like spotlight eye kind of vibe. I've been doing this eye shape for a while, and I noticed like a lot of queens and a lot of people that don't really do this eye shape. So we're just gonna really get this on. I like to kind of start from like the lightest to the darkest. So obviously you guys, like, I get on like the lightest shade. So basically if you guys are gonna do like blue, get baby blue on first and then go into like your navies and your blacks. So as you guys can see here, the application is super beautiful. I love to stretch my eyeshadow out. Like, I love a blurred moment. I hate hard lines. I hate the whole cut eye thing. So 2020, you guys. Like, today we should be professionals as of now when it comes to makeup. There's so many YouTube tutorials out there. You guys, we should be good. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. But yeah, you guys, I've been really good. I've been working. It's hard to kind of dedicate to my studio work because I've just been gone. That's pretty much my update for you guys. I don't really have anything else to really update. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys know like I'm just always busy and on the road, so I try to do my best to spend time in the studio. I have so much new stuff in the studio that I have not even opened yet, and it's just I know. I told myself I might need an assistant, but I don't even know what my assistant is gonna do for me because they need me. That being said, get that green on, buff it in. What's going on in the beauty world? Like, what is the trends? Who are you guys following? Is there anyone new you guys following? Please drop down in the comments below. Like, I need to get inspired again. So if there's any new like gurus you guys are following, please let me know because I'm all about it. Okay, so now that I have like the first shade, I'm probably gonna work my way into like, I need a darker green, to be honest. And I don't think this one has like a darker green. Like, I need something darker than this guy. So let's see what this one looks like on, and then we're gonna figure it out from there. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. I love to just layer colors. I've been literally doing this. I call this the spotlight eye because the center is gonna be super, super like pigmented and shiny and glittery. It's like kind of like my signature eye lately. Like I just been loving it because it's kind of like you're doing eyeshadow all over the eyelid, but you're not really, but you kind of are. And it's not your traditional like light to dark, which I'm kind of like over. I just feel like that light to dark look is really pretty if you want to stick to like beauty makeup and really soft makeup. But like if you're gonna go in and like really live your life with some color, I feel like you guys should try this method. Like I love this eye. I get so many compliments at the shows because a lot of people don't do this. I don't really see a lot of this happening, so that's why like maybe that's why I like it. Now that we have like that little two shadow laid down, obviously you guys, I want to go a little darker. I love to bring the shadow into the brow. It just kind of gives it like that fashion model, like avant-garde. Now that we have that on, I do know like I might need like a darker green to make this look like the look. So let's see, hold on. Let's just see where this goes. I'm gonna keep layering it. Sometimes when you layer shadow, it can get a little darker. Have you guys ever done that? That could work, but sometimes the color is gonna be the color. It's not gonna be anything different. They also sent over the Halloween Hocus Pocus books. So these are super cool. Let me just show you guys real fast. I love this one. I've been taking this one on the road with me a few times. So it kind of opens up like this, and then the back opens up to like another whole color like moment. So there's no dark green in that one, so this is the other one. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay, so this is like more blues, more cold, and this is more purple. So you guys, that's not gonna work. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I need something darker. You guys, trust me, I just need to get like a darker green. I need a darker green in there because that's really gonna make the look. So I'm gonna pull this guy. Watch this. See? Oh, okay. See, we're getting somewhere. I think a blue eyeshadow would be cool, but for the shoot today, I really need it to be super green. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that beautiful little fade here. We love that. We love, you know what it is? When it comes to color, I love seeing eyeshadow where you can't really tell like how many colors you guys are using. I feel like that's like the trick. But looking at this, how many colors do you think I have? Well, you guys know because I told you guys. But I'm just saying, you guys know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna pull this darker shade and let's get in there. Oh, look at that. Ooh, come on, y'all. Tell me that's it. Look at that. Oh, pretty. I cannot believe it's December and I'm gonna be literally 35 years old in like 9 days, I think. December 15, 9 days or 10 days. Okay, so get that color in there. People are like, are you freaking out that you're turning 35? I'm like, no. I actually really embrace getting older. Not like in a speedful way, not like I'm trying to get old fast, but I'm just like I enjoy every moment of my life. You know, like I feel like why try to stop something when you have no control over? I need like a black. So maybe I might pull this one out again. So I'm gonna add a tint of black just to kind of give it like that smoky cat eye. So this right here, I'm gonna kind of wing it and keep it very tight because you don't want to put black all over it to kind of take away the green. Cause this is where my liner is gonna attach to, where it kind of gives like that illusion of a cat eye. My eye shape is not really made for a cat eye, so I try to like manipulate a little bit to kind of give it like that. Oh, I'm wearing a wing liner, but I'm not. So you guys know I've been obsessed with white liner. I do not like my eyes without white liner. I don't know what it is. I think it's kind of opens up my eye more, so I love white liner. It's just my favorite thing. Do you guys have to do it? No. But I feel like if I put on like black liner, depending on the eyeshadow work, because it's so big and so enhanced, it kind of makes my eyes look really small. And I've been loving just having like doll-like eyes, especially when it comes to like pictures and stuff. Like having a little white liner really does like open up your eyes a little bit. So I love using the KVD Vegan Beauty gel liners, because one, there's a lot, and two, if I buy white liners, I would literally like run out of white liners. I would use a white liner a week and I'm not trying to run out my bank. I like to get a brush. It might get a little messy, but I will clean it up, trust me. This is what I like to do. Like that's literally how much I put on. This part is hard to talk. See how much that just like opens up your eye? When it comes to like shadow, like colored shadow, I love to repeat. Now you can go super fun, and I'm putting purple underneath would be super pretty too, because purple and green, I mean, hello, gorgeous. But today I really need to stay super green. So I'm gonna remember the sequence of shadows that I use. So obviously in this palette, I used 2 of them, and then I used some of the dark from the other palette. So today I'm gonna go ahead and go right underneath with this green. Let me use mirror. and I see how I bring it down. Actually, this one's pretty, this shimmer moment. Let's see what this looks like first. Okay, the shimmer, look at that. It's a little crazy. I love shimmers on the bottom because I have such like a flat surface on the bottom that shimmers look good. And I'm gonna go back on it with the matte color. Oh, pretty. Now the matte. Now the fluffy brush that I used in the beginning with that very light green, watch this. Going back, it's almost like going opposite, but kinda not really. Oh, pretty. Now, this is the fun part. This is where you're gonna clean it up because I know it looks a little messy right now. So when it comes to this one on the bottom, I love a fine point tip liner. So today we're gonna use Jeffree Star Cosmetics just to kind of show you guys how tight I want it, because the bottom is gonna be kind of a little more defined than the top. And I love to pinch the inner corner, almost like into like a triangle almost. That's literally like my signature eye right now. And all I do is right here, because I'm gonna go back with the top liner on the bottom because I don't wanna waste this one. I will say this is probably a signature eye of mine that I've been doing a lot lately. So going back with the liner I did on top because it's just a bigger tip, let's go ahead and clean up the bottom. So this is where you can really decide how much white you want. See that? It's time for a new liner. Now, mascara. You guys know I don't curl my lashes because I don't even have any. I'm gonna go ahead and use a little YSL and just get it on there, just coat it. But if you guys are like gnarly about curling your lashes and doing the most, then this is the time to do it. But you guys, I can tell you right now, like, I ain't got no lashes. Like, you cannot sell me a mascara because one, I don't have hair. Maybe it's because I'm turning 35. I have so many good mascaras that I don't even know the difference because it doesn't do anything for me. I love to cut my lashes to make them fit perfectly. I don't know, I just don't like full lashes anymore. I've been going like super smaller and smaller. So I cut my lashes. Okay, so let's get some glue on it and then we're gonna do a nude lip. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite nude lip combo right now. I've been obsessed with this combo. It's just like my favorite perfect nude lip. You guys know like I do nude lips like crazy and my nude shades always change, but this is like my favorite. So as those dry, I am obsessed with P.LOUISE. This color is called Stripped. I love to get a brown liner that's super dark. I know finding a nude lipstick is so hard because once we find a one that we like, we're gonna want another one, right? But I feel like when finding a new lipstick, it's always best to go dark and then you can lighten it up. Because when you get light, it's kind of harder to darken up. But I love this shade. It's called Stripped. And beware, I overdraw like crazy. I know. I leave foundation on my lip. People are like, usually would wipe it off, but I'm like, girl, please. Pretty. Oh my God, my lashes are gonna dry. Hold on. Sorry guys, I have to do this before my lashes dry. Okay, lashes are on. I love little lashes. I don't know what it is. Okay, back to lips. So see how dark I would normally go? Like that's probably the darkest I would go. Now, second, I love Jeffree Star. This is the Pomeranian Kiss. Such a good color. It has like a little high gloss. I put it right on top, okay? And then I love to take a brush, and this is like where I would literally go in and I would buff it as much as I can. Sorry, I'm looking for a brush. Where's my lip brush at? This is where you start to see like, do you need to go lighter? Do you need to go darker? Do you need to kind of like twist it a little bit? Do you need to set it? Like, this is where you start to see. I might go a little darker on the edge. So I have a darker pencil here. This is from ColourPop. Now I'm gonna just pinch it a little bit. I mean, I do like it like this, but we can do better. Why is this pencil not, where? It like disappeared. Oh, not to worry. I have a lot of brushes here. I mean, I have a lot of lip pencils. What happened to it? Okay, well, we're gonna do this one. That's pretty. Now, last but not least, let's go ahead and add a little gloss. So P.LOUISE, this one's called Cocoa Bean. Cocoa Bean is cute. It's a gloss. I love to layer it. And this one adds like, it brings more of that brown. I mean, obviously I would wear it out just like this, but we're gonna layer and layer and layer. Oh, and this just helps blend in the liner. Perfect nude lip. Two more things before we set. So I love using the one size. This is the Stage White. It's always sold out. If you guys can get a hands on this, like this is literally how I get my highlight. I love this kind of go back and I love to touch it up. Just like that, touch it up. My blush is like kind of orangey. I love an orange blush. Oh, I forgot. Your nose, P.LOUISE. Dedicated to P.LOUISE in this video. This is the Winner Bakes All, and look at these shimmers, you guys. Ooh. So I love to pinch my nose right here and just give it like a brightening little moment. Oh my God, look at that. Let's go in and set the makeup. P.LOUISE. This is the setting spray. I've actually never used this, but I've heard good things about it. It's a setting spray. It sets. I don't know if it's like luminosity or is it matte, but I'm thinking it's like a universal set where it just kind of gives you like not too matte, not too shiny, kind of just makes your makeup kind of like bam. So let's go ahead and spray some of this on. And then, ta-da! Do we not live? All right, guys, be right back. Let me change into my little cute outfit. The green will make more sense once I change into this. I'll be right back. See, you guys, this is exactly what I mean, how I wanted my eyeshadow to be super green. Ah! You guys, we did it. P.LOUISE, shout out to P.LOUISE for actually spending the holiday with me. I am so excited to see what P.LOUISE has for 2024. You guys know I've been a P.LOUISE fan for the longest. And this eyeshadow work, baby, get into it. Make sure you guys check out P.LOUISE and get your favorite eyeshadow palette, get your favorite brushes, get your favorite eye primers, get your favorite lips. They have it all, literally. I don't even know if they have foundation. I don't think they have foundation, but if they did, I'm pretty sure it would be sickening. You guys, I had so much fun. Thank you guys so much for tuning in into this video. I love you guys. Happy holidays. My birthday is literally in a few days. And I am so excited to turn 35. Other than that, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys are new to my channel. And also, if you guys have been subscribing and following me on my journey, thank you guys so much for following me and being with me. There's just so much happening next year that I'm so excited for. But like I said, you guys, I promise at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys my 2 candles that me and my partner, we literally homegrown, homemade these fragrances. You guys can check out Central Taboo on the bottom right here and check out the candles. All right, you guys, so the first candle is Pop My Cork. Obviously, you guys, we're doing like this little green moment holiday. So this candle, oh, it smells so amazing. So in Pop My Cork, it has cranberry, pomegranate, and Prosecco. Smells amazing. You guys literally only need one of these for your living room. I light these all day. And then here is my second one. This one's called Let's Scrooge. How cute is the packaging? Get into it. And the reason why I love the Let's Scrooge is because it has birch, it has warm cashmere. It's just one of my favorites. I mean, honestly, you guys, they're 2 different vibes. I absolutely love these candles. We usually launch these candles during Pride season, holiday season for you guys to have at home. It's just a part of me to have for you guys. These are gonna go out really, really fast. We're already sending orders out. By you guys purchasing these, it just shows great appreciation to our brand. Like I said, these are homemade, literally in my living room. Candles have always been our favorite thing to buy, and we were just like, you know what? We wanna make some candles that are strong, easy, and ready to go versus going to like Home Goods and going to the stores and buying expensive candles that don't even smell like anything. So thank you guys so much for purchasing these candles. I love you guys. Happy holidays. Can't wait to see these in your living rooms and your house. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I feel sickening. Let's go.